Hi kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about the wild animals. Wild animals are those which lives in jungle. Come, let us see the list of wild animals and the interesting facts about them. Lion. Lions are the king of the beast. They live in groups called prides. Tiger. Tigers are the largest wild cats in the world. They are carnivores eating only meat. Leopard. Leopards are skilled climbers. They are very much active at night in searching of the prey. Bear. Bears have excellent sense of smell. They love the taste of honey. Wolf. Wolves are the ancestor of the domestic dog. A wolf's hearing is 20 times better than humans. Elephant. These are the largest land animal on earth. Elephants can swim for long distances. They sleep while standing. Kangaroo. They jump as far as about 3 times of their own height. Chimpanzee. They shows their emotions with their faces and sounds. Camel. Camel lives in deserts. The word camel means beauty. Zebra. Zebras have unique pattern of stripes. Giraffe. Giraffe are the tallest land animal. They are herbivores, eat only plants. Panda. Pandas are big eaters. They are found in thick bamboo forests. Gorilla. They are the largest living primates. The DNA of gorillas is 98% matched with that of humans. Hippopotamus. These are the large semi-aquatic mammals. This is the second largest land animal on earth. Crocodile. It is a large amphibious reptile. Crocodiles have sharp teeth. Monkey. Monkeys have strong tails. A group of monkeys is called as troop. Fox. These are one of the fastest animals in the world. The fox can use at least 40 different voices. Come kids, let us see the list of wild animals again. Lion. Tiger. Leopard. Bear. Wolf. Elephant. Kangaroo. Chimpanzee. Camel. Zebra. Giraffe. Panda. Gorilla. Hippopotamus. Crocodile. Monkey. Fox. These are the wild animals. Thank you friends for watching.